Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to premium in the ChatGPT app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the ChatGPT app, and here it usually opens up in the messages menu, but we have to swipe right from here, or we can just tap on these three lines in the top left corner. And here, if you can check in the top, you can see that currently I have a free plan. We just tap on that, and it says here that ChatGPT Plus is coming soon. So we just have to wait a little bit so they can update the application, but you'll be able to upgrade the Plus here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.